Welcome to Release Scheduler, a Jira add-on that brings releases to a new level. The application starts with a grid view, where you can see each Jira release you have for your projects. By clicking on the arrow to the left of the release, you can see each ticket that is associated with that release. Click on a ticket, and the issue will show on the screen without having you leave the current view. Click on the calendar button to view the month's release schedule. Here you will see the releases and events that you have for your team in one place. You can use preset events or custom events. Click on a release and you will see the details for that release. Release tickets are also available to view. Here you will see past released releases and any Confluence documents you may have created for that release. The drop-down menu shown at the top of the screen is for bundles you can create. Bundles are a set of releases that you can group together. Bundles provide a clear way for you to see a large release that is set for deployment. Bundles also offer you a dashboard view of your bundled release, so that you can see status, dependencies, priorities, late additions, and progress. There's a bundle readiness score at the top of the dashboard that tells you how all releases in the bundle are progressing. PDF and Confluence posting are available. Release Scheduler allows you to have multiple project releases on a single view. Just select the projects you want to see, and they will display on the grid. You can also set your default projects in the admin settings. The grid view not only provides you with a way to view your releases, but you can also edit the fields in place on the screen. Clicking on Start Date, Release Date, Description, Staging Time, Production Time, Duration, or Users Involved will allow you to edit the details of a release. Click on the readiness score for a release, and you can get a feel for how the release is progressing towards release. The scale is from 0 to 100 and will turn green when a release is ready for release. The more detail you provide in your Jira tickets, the more accurate the score will be. Creating a new release is done by clicking the blue Create Release button at the top of the screen. This will bring up a new release form for you to fill out. You can select one or more projects depending on what you have in view on your current view. You will name the release, set the description for the release, the start date and release date. You can also set any release dependencies, GitHub repositories for the release, approvers, and add tickets to the release. Adding the GitHub repository will provide you with the current status of the ticket within GitHub when you view the tickets within a release. Adding approvers for release approval can also provide you with notification and approval through Slack if you desire. To add tickets to the release, just type the ticket ID in the search field and hit Enter to get a list of tickets based on a partial ticket number. Check the tickets you want to add to the release and then create the release. Each release will have a More Actions menu that allows a user to edit the release the release, approve the release, add additional tickets to the release, add release notes, review the release, or delete the release. These fields are based on user access handled through the admin settings and may not be available to all users. There are many features to Release Scheduler, from Slack notifications for when releases are ready, as well as an extensive list of settings for setting your release notification, adding GitHub information to view in your releases, as well as setting defaults. If you need more details on Release Scheduler, please contact us, and we can set a call to go over the product with your team.